Hey guys, Don Keating here, Team Donny Boy. I wanted to do a video on an ICO that's coming out right now. They're in their main sale called Medichain, and basically it's a ICO that's coming out to put the medical records of everyone on a blockchain. And I know we've heard that before. Many other companies are trying to do this or doing this, but this one's a little bit different with the way that they are trying to not just put the medical records on the blockchain, but also some other twists and tricks that they're doing to make this medical data anonymous enough that they can have big pharma be able to use it for medical research as well. They can do it in such a way that they could see the data without being able to connect to the actual person, so that they can get the the history, the medical history background, and things that these big farmers pay a lot of money for, and they need this data for their research. So that's, first off, that's the reason I thought it was worth doing a video on and talking to you guys about it. But it is in their main sale right now, which is going to last up to 60 days here. You can see it counting down. They are already featured on a few main ICO review sites: Track ICO, ICO Expert, Found ICO, and ICO Bench, and their ratings are very good to excellent, I would think, from what I'm seeing. And this is their little slogan: Medichain is revolutionizing medical records and healthcare with blockchain. Okay, Medichain is a medical big data platform. It allows patients to store their own data in a secure way and gives access to specialists anywhere, regardless of the payer network or the EMR, the electronic medical record used. So this way here, you can take your data anywhere that you want to go. You can move it between healthcare providers, specialists, insurers, and even countries. So you're in control of your own data. Anyone can access it with your permission. So this way here, when you're switching doctors, or you have different doctors for different things, they all can see the same overall medical record and all your information, which is important, because if something as simple as if one doctor is treating you for something and giving you some different types of prescriptions, and you fail to remember or tell the other doctor that has and is seeing you for something different, this way here they'll automatically see everything, so that they don't accidentally give you a treatment or a prescription or something that may interact with something you're already doing. So something that simple could be stopped by everyone being able to see all the information at once. It's going to keep data safe and anonymized, and that's how they're able to use this for the data research. It's anonymous. There's absolutely no cost for patients or doctors. They do not want this to have a cost associated with it to be actually used for patients or doctors. Okay, they're saying there's 2 billion potential users for this. Okay, and it's going to be super fast, of course. Big problems is U.S. big pharma spends $157 billion a year on research. Second, medical errors are now the third largest cause of death in the United States, costing $1 trillion in the U.S. alone. And that goes kind of what I was saying in drug interactions and things like that. If you don't have your overall medical picture, this is going to solve some of that. Using blockchain technology, Medichain will promote these research breakthroughs. By patients opting in and sharing their medical data, they will be able to help people who are suffering from similar health issues. Additionally, sharing medical data will streamline the process of finding cures to the world's worst diseases. Okay, so the more research these guys have, the faster that they can get the data that they need to support the different treatments that they're trying. A lot of times it's hard for these companies to get good amount of large data, so it's good if they can get this without being inconvenienced at all. All your information is already there. You don't have to do anything special other than allow them to look at it, and it's going to be totally anonymous, so that you can't they can't attract it back to you for any reason. Okay. Now, the benefits for being a token holder. Token holders benefit in a number of ways: institutional medical data services, including diagnostics, medical research data services, any and all additional future business transactions on the Medichain platform, personal medical data services, storage and transfer, MCU discounts, research program voting, get the chance to determine the focus of future research. Okay, they have a lot of connections already. They have a very long roadmap. It goes all the way out to 2020 already. You guys can check a look at that when you're interested. They have all the information on the team. It's a pretty deep team between medical and blockchain, so they have the whole thing already, the whole gambit that they need to get this up and running and successful. A lot of business, a lot of marketing, a lot of medical, and a lot of blockchain engineers. So I think they're pretty covered in that area there. And then they also have, of course, all their advisors that are helping make this a success. And of course, they come from all the different backgrounds as well. Okay, they have a nice frequently asked questions here. You can check it out. They have their address listed here on Contact Us. Okay, and then the actual site itself, the token sale, they are through all that, and they're in the ICO, the main ICO sale. So minimum purchase is 10 MCU tokens, and it is $1 each, so $10. Okay, so they're not super expensive, $1 each, and they're only making you buy 10 if you wanted to get involved with this. I researched this because I know the first question I'm going to get: can you buy this in the United States? No, you cannot. Well, you can if you're an accredited investor. Okay, so they don't sell to residents of South Korea, China, Singapore, and tokens should not be purchased by United States citizens or residents unless such person is an accredited investor. Okay, so just wanted to put that out there in case you had the question about that. You could check out their white paper. It's very detailed. I'm not going to go through it right now for you guys. Just want you to know that it does exist, and it does go through some information on this, depending on what level you want to look at it on. 38 pages long. It talks about the team, talks about what they're doing, the use cases. It is a good read. It does tell you a little bit about everything that they're planning to do or have been doing. So check it out if you want to, but again, it is in ICO sale right now, and there is 59 days left. It just started today, so take a look at it. If you have any questions, you can email me. I'll try to answer anything that you can, or I'll try to get you the answer if I don't know it. It's Donkeat, DONKEAT @gmail.com, and I'll have the link below for the ICO group if you have any questions about this or any other ICOs. And you can see right on the top of their website they have their own social media links. So what I'll do is I'll put some of those links in the description as well, so you can follow them and keep in contact with what's going on. Okay, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. If you have any questions, you can email me. If you want to see a video that I haven't done or anything like that, please let me know. You can leave a comment below, or you can email me directly. That's fine. And just let me know if you like the videos, you don't like them, and I'll try to I want to make the channel as entertaining for you guys as I can. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys very soon, and if you hopefully if you have any questions, you'll reach out and feel free by email. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Thanks.